Man, the dream garage, boy. Yeah, it's fireblade is hard. This bike feels so different than my R1M.
RSV4, black and gold. What do y'all think?
Look at all these freaking bikes, man.
Whoa! Damn!
Damn. Wow. What a whole vibe, dude. Look at the view. We're in freaking California. What? And we got, I don't even know what that is, but that plane's about to do a freaking backflip up in the air. What the hell? I've never seen that before. Literally only in Cali, man. Wow, that is so cool. That jet's out here doing backflips and I feel like I'm watching Top Gun right now. That is epic. Look, it's doing another backflip. Let's do another backflip. I don't know if the GoPro's gonna pick that up. I'm gonna have to zoom like way in. You can hear it. You can hear it. Look how beautiful this freaking bike is, man. Golly. I really want one. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I had a green one that I could have put a deposit on, but I hesitated. Just a little too long. Y'all comment down below, what do y'all think about that color? Like, I just was on the fence about it. I don't want to spend that much money on a bike that I'm like, iffy about. Are we really gonna go on the sidewalk? I mean, we could definitely go around those spike strips. Huntington Beach. That's so cool that Jet's out here doing all that. Feels so good. Anyone else like the smell of exhaust, or is that just me? Or gas. Like gas I really like as well. Man, the cars out here are just nuts. Like I said, a different tax bracket for sure than on the East Coast. Out here in Cali, man. Woo, look at that hello. Damn, that's hard. That's hard. Oh, they're out here ticketing, boy. They ain't playing today. I'm calling it. We're getting into some shenanigans, man. Little R3 action. Hell yeah, let's see who wants to race. Yeah, that's cool. All those years of playing monkey, what's the game? I was gonna say monkey bars. Oh, what's that game, dude? I can't remember. Whatever it is where you dive under the bar, I don't know. Like I said, I haven't eaten or really drank much in the last 24 hours, so my brain is just not working. Love the Ducatis, man. It is so cool, like I said, to have seen this spot so many times on videos It's like random people's YouTube channels. And to actually be out here experiencing the vibes. Look at the R1. Heck yeah, he's got 360 cam on there. Y'all comment down below, do y'all want me to mount one of those on me? I like that angle. I just don't have an instant 360. I have the GoPro, so I don't have all the cool mounts that come with the instant 360. That Jeep is hard. Look at all these freaking bikes, man. What a vibe. Wow, this is wild. Twins! I'm not gonna get it off. Point swap. Oh, this is awkward. Oh hell yeah, where'd this guy come from? This thing does not like having the throttle chopped. Where are we going? Oh. Okay, little 400 showing us how it's done. The R1 is clean. Well, those wings are starting to grow on me. I wasn't a fan of the wings on the R1, and I've just seen them rip people's fairings, so I was like, I'm good on putting those on mine, because I don't even want to know how much those carbon fairings cost. Y'all comment down below, what do you think about them? That's going to be a cool angle that he gets on his 360. That's cool. Oh god, why is she out in the middle of the road? With a kid, come on. Oh. I just changed where this thing engages. I gotta get used to it again. Man, what a squad. What a beautiful squad of bikes. Where's he going? Where's he going? Kay's like, hell no. There's cops right over there, and they do not with us out here in this spot, so I don't think we're gonna stay for too long. Look, you can see them just all looking. Yeah, they're having none of our shenanigans. I don't know where we're gonna go, but hell yeah. I hope that fairing was missing before I got on this thing. Man, the H2 looks so much cleaner with the wing delete, not the wing delete, the fender eliminator, and that exhaust going. Man, I can't wait to do that stuff on mine, man. Look at all the freaking colors changing. God damn. It looks good, man. Hey, look at this freaking lineup of bikes. This is clean as fuck. What up, baby?
Bro, I got stopped by the cop. That's why I said, bro, the cops are right there. They were staring at us. Don't stop there. I went in there and I made a bullshit excuse. I'm like, sorry, man, I had to pay. It's like, your boy's left. Fuck off. I'm like, all right, bet. You didn't get a ticket. That's why I was like, nah, I ain't staying. We just ran into Sim, right?
Woo! The lineup, boys. So they don't f with bikers out here.
Oh no. RSV4, black and gold. What do y'all think? Yes, no? Does it fit me? Does it not fit me? Kane's already talking shit saying it does not fit me, so I'm too big for it.
H2 all the way.
H2, we already got that though.
Are you talking about next?
Yeah.
You need one of those.
I know, I love either that or the R. I know, you can't go wrong with either one of them, honestly. Yeah, I can't go wrong with either.
All the way from
Yes, sir. There you go. We got the beautiful R1 out here.
Now I'm
2 ZX6s. And we got the all black S1K. Nino's bike. What's your Instagram you said?
downshift.s1k.
There you go, downshift.s1k. Make sure y'all go check them out, man. I like it, bro. I love these, man. What do you think about the new one?
Honestly, bro, I mean, this is a 2021.
Yeah.
A lot of people, asking me, oh, are you gonna trade yours in to get the new one?
Yeah.
It's kind of like the same thing. I do love it. It looks good.
It looks good,
Don't
yeah.
get me wrong. It looks good.
Is it worth the extra money for some small changes?
Yeah, exactly. For me,
Yeah.
I've already done too much.
What's up, man?
Gabe.
Gabe Dillon, nice to meet you. What do you want?
That Streetfighter.
Yeah? Oh, that thing is wow. This sounds good.
I think I've seen you cross. You had that 1199, right?
I got a 1299. Yeah. Back down here. Hey. Got the arrow on there. This thing sounds mean, boy. Might have to make him start it up for you guys, man, so you can hear it. Oh, you're good, you're good. He's new. First bike. Whoa! Damn! Yeah. That's loud. It's like deep though. It sounds really good.
Yeah, for the actual V4.
Yeah, I'm very impressed. The arrow might be the way to go, man. Honestly. Shoot. How long have you had this?
I bought it brand new, so probably like 4 months.
Okay. How many miles are on it? You been riding it?
57 plus.
Woo! 4 months ago?
Yeah.
Damn. Yeah. Damn, okay, my man. Hell yeah. That's what I like to see, man. Yeah, you bought it to ride it. Now look at it. You know what I'm saying? The lineup. We made it. My video. Y'all take care. Yeah, I'll be back. I'll be back. Nice riding with y'all.
Oh, my dad said.
I wish.
So there's so many hot milfs, you could easily be a personal trainer here. That's not making a video.
That's it.
Or bro, you'll be training all the hot moms. You're paying like double the rate of Kentucky.
That's true.
Like, I'm into motorcycles, I really need another bike.
How does man come up with this stuff? Hell yeah, bro. Congrats, man. This thing's sweet.
Yeah, you gotta come longer.
I know.
Alright, so we are headed back. We're headed back. I'm gonna return Kay's bike. It was a good day. I wish I could have seen the ride back we had from Huntington Beach, but yeah, my phone, I didn't press record. Alright, let me make sure we're actually recording. that traction control was not having that. Like I said, I don't know if I caught it in the last video, but huge shout out to Kay for letting me ride his bike. It takes a lot of trust to let you have someone lend you their bike, so I do appreciate it. And I said in the last video, this bike feels so different than my R1M. This is a sweet bike though. It feels just as fast as my R1M, especially once I got mine dyno tuned. I'm pretty sure Kay has had this one dyno tuned as well. Y'all think we should put the Rizomas on rain? They are starting to grow on me. They're not as crazy and bulky as the stock mirrors. And you can't see nearly as much. I mean, you can see just enough. Like literally just enough. The price is the only thing that's been making me hesitate. But yeah, I mean, he's got this thing set up right. For some reason, it feels like you set up higher on this one than on mine, but God damn it. Every time I recurrent K his bikes, it needs gas. Yeah, man, you really can't beat it. All three of these bikes, or all four of these bikes, absolutely beautiful. Damn, we missed the light. Are you sure? Man, the Dream Garage, boy. Yeah, this Fireblade is hard. I like the, I didn't even realize I had the seat on there. Yeah, that's hard. With the V4R, still the dream, man. Damn. The Ape and then the H2. I didn't realize how much carbon you had on here. Damn. It's a dream setup, man.